Gentlemen, let's talk about what it truly takes to be a man in the bedroom, a man who is not only confident, but also considerate and deeply connected to the woman he's with. We're not just talking about mechanics. We're diving into the heart of what creates a truly incredible and meaningful experience for both of you. Here on Zen Sage Mind, we explore the depths of connection, intimacy, and fulfillment in all aspects of life, and that definitely includes the bedroom. Because sleeping with a woman is about so much more than just the physical act. It's about understanding, respect, and creating a genuine connection. So if you're ready to step up your game and become the kind of lover she can't stop thinking about, stick with me. Before we start, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep creating content like this for you. Now let's get started on these 10 crucial points. Before anything else, gentlemen, consent is absolutely paramount. This goes without saying, but it's not just about a yes or no. It's about ensuring she's genuinely enthusiastic and comfortable with every step of the way. Don't just assume. Communicate, talk to her. Read her body language. Is she hesitant or pulling away? Then slow down, gentlemen. A woman who feels safe and respected is a woman who is far more likely to open up to you both physically and emotionally. Remember, true passion ignites when there's mutual desire and respect. Don't rush the process. Savor the journey of building anticipation together. When she knows you value her feelings and boundaries, it creates a level of trust and intimacy that transcends the physical. This isn't about pressuring her into anything. It's about creating an environment where she feels safe enough to be her most authentic self. And that, gentleman, is incredibly attractive, so make sure she knows she has the space to communicate her needs and desires openly and honestly. Remember, a woman who feels truly seen and heard, that's a woman who's going to be far more invested in creating something special with you. Every woman is unique, gentlemen, and with that comes a beautiful set of boundaries and preferences. It's your job to not only respect those boundaries, but to understand that they are a vital part of who she is. Don't see her boundaries as obstacles, but rather as invitations to explore her deeper. Ask questions. Be curious. Discover what makes her feel cherished and adored. Maybe she's not comfortable with certain things, and that's okay. In fact, it's an opportunity for you to show her that you're willing to listen, to learn, and to prioritize her comfort above all else. When you approach her boundaries with curiosity and respect, it shows her that you see her as an individual, not just a conquest. It demonstrates a level of maturity and understanding that's incredibly attractive to women. Remember, seducing a woman is not about breaking down her walls. It's about making her feel safe enough to let them down on her own terms. When you create that kind of security, that's when true intimacy can flourish. So pay attention to her cues, both verbal and nonverbal. Don't push. Be patient, be understanding, and above all, be respectful. Now, gentlemen, let's talk about her needs. Understanding a woman's desires is an art form, but it's not about deciphering some secret code. It's about being present, being attuned, and being willing to learn. Pay attention to her signals. What does she respond to? What makes her feel desired and cherished? Every touch, every word, every glance is an opportunity to connect on a deeper level. Don't make it all about you. This isn't about getting yours. It's about creating an experience of mutual pleasure and satisfaction. When you prioritize her needs, it shows her that you're not just interested in the physical act, but in her overall well-being and happiness. Remember, a woman wants to feel seen, heard, and understood. When you take the time to truly connect with her on that level, it creates a bond that goes far beyond the bedroom. So be attentive, be present, ask questions, and listen to her responses. The more you understand her needs and desires, the better equipped you'll be to fulfill them in a way that leaves her feeling absolutely incredible. Chapter 4. Foreplay is non-negotiable. Gentlemen, let's be clear. Foreplay is not an option. It's an essential part of the journey. Think of it as the appetizer before the main course. It sets the stage for an incredible experience. This is where you build anticipation, where you create a slow burn that leaves her wanting more. Take your time and explore her body with your hands, your lips, your words. Tease her senses and ignite her desire. Remember, it's not just about the physical sensations. It's about creating a connection that goes deeper than skin deep. Whisper in her ear. Tell her how much you desire her. Make her feel like the most captivating woman in the world. When you invest time and effort into foreplay, it shows her that you're not just interested in a quick release. You're invested in giving her an experience that's both pleasurable and emotionally fulfilling. So don't rush the process. Savor every touch, every kiss, every moment leading up to the main event. Trust me, the anticipation you build will make the climax that much more explosive for both of you. Chapter 5. Be emotionally attuned. Gentlemen, sex is not just a physical act, it's an emotional one as well. Women are deeply emotional beings, and when you tap into that, you unlock a level of intimacy that's truly special. Be present with her, look into her eyes, feel the energy between you, pay attention to her emotional cues. Is she feeling shy, excited, nervous? Meet her where she is and guide her through the experience with empathy and understanding. Remember, vulnerability is a strength, not a weakness. Don't be afraid to express your own emotions, to tell her how much she means to you. When you create a safe space for emotional intimacy, it deepens the connection and creates a more fulfilling experience for both of you. So be mindful of her feelings, communicate openly and honestly. Let her know that you're not just there for the physical, but for the emotional connection as well. Chapter 6. Confidence, not cockiness. Gentlemen, confidence is incredibly sexy, but there's a fine line between confidence and cockiness. Confidence is about knowing your worth and owning your desires while remaining respectful and considerate of hers. Cockiness, on the other hand, is all about ego. It's about seeking validation and putting your needs above hers. And trust me, nothing is a bigger turnoff for a woman. So be confident in your approach. Take the lead, but do it with humility and respect. Make her feel safe, secure, and desired, but never pressured or objectified. Remember, true confidence comes from within. It's about knowing who you are and what you bring to the table. When you approach a woman with that kind of genuine self-assurance, it's absolutely irresistible. Now, gentlemen, let's talk about pacing. I know things can get heated in the moment, but trust me when I say that slowing down and savoring the experience will lead to far greater pleasure for both of you. Don't rush the process. Pay attention to her reactions. Is she enjoying a particular touch? Linger there. Explore different speeds, different pressures, different rhythms. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. When you take your time, you create a sense of anticipation and excitement that builds with every passing moment. It allows you to connect on a deeper level and discover what truly drives her wild. So, breathe, be present, and savor every single sensation. The more you focus on the journey, the more incredible the destination will be. Gentlemen, communication is key in every aspect of a relationship, and that includes the bedroom. Don't be afraid to talk to her, to ask her what she likes, to guide each other towards ultimate pleasure. Tell her what you enjoy and encourage her to do the same. A simple that feels amazing or a little to the left can make all the difference. Remember, you're on the same team here, working together to create an unforgettable experience. But it's not just about the physical, it's about the emotional connection as well. Share your feelings, your desires, your vulnerabilities. When you communicate openly and honestly, it builds trust, intimacy, and deepens the bond between you. So don't be shy, let your guard down. Talk to her, listen to her, and watch as your connection reaches new heights. Gentlemen, the encounter doesn't end when the physical act is over. How you treat her in the aftermath is just as important as what happens during. Don't just roll over and go to sleep. Take the time to cuddle, to talk, to connect on an emotional level. Show her that you value her presence beyond just the physical. Remember, intimacy doesn't end when the clothes go back on. It's about continuing to nurture the connection, to make her feel loved, cherished, and appreciated. So be present, be affectionate, and let her know that you're not going anywhere. Gentlemen, the final and perhaps most important point is to respect the outcome, whatever it may be. Every encounter is different, and it's crucial to approach each one with an open mind and a respectful heart. Maybe it leads to a deeper relationship, maybe it's just a one-time thing. Regardless, treat her with the same level of respect and dignity that you would want for yourself. Remember, a true gentleman is defined not by how many women he sleeps with, but by how he treats them. So be kind, be compassionate, and always prioritize her well-being. So, gentlemen, there you have it. 10 crucial things every man must know before sleeping with a woman. Remember, it's not just about the physical act, it's about creating a meaningful and fulfilling experience for both of you. When you approach intimacy with respect, understanding, and a genuine desire to connect, you'll not only become a better lover, but a better man overall. Now go out there, gentlemen, and create something truly special. And as always, thank you for watching Zen Sage Mind. Until next time.